Hi everybody, it's Sarah Baldwin here from Bella Luna Toys. I'm here with a new Sunday with Sarah for you. I'm visiting Austin, Texas, and happened on this beautiful little natural park, and so I thought it would be a great time to talk to you about children and nature and outdoor play. So in Waldorf education, outdoor play is really important through all the grades, starting in early childhood and even through high school. Children who have ample outdoor play have better physical health, better mental and emotional health, better cognition skills, and it even improves test scores. I also know as a Waldorf early childhood teacher that when children are outdoors, they're using their gross motor skills. They're climbing, they're balancing. If they're in a playground, they're swinging, they're jumping. And we know now that all of this gross motor skills is also building their brains. It's so important. So part of our outdoor play every day and the nature walks we would take weekly, I knew were science lessons in early childhood. The children are learning about the natural world. They're learning about the rhythm of the year, watching the seasons change, the Earth's rhythms, and so much opportunity for exploration, whether you're finding a flower or a leaf and looking closely at it, a bug, plants growing, plants dying. It's all science. It's our science curriculum. And even though I've made my living for many years now selling toys, I also know the best toys are in nature. They're outside and they're free. Sticks and stones, seashells, they're all toys. They're all playthings. They're the best kinds of playthings. So a question I often get is, what if I live in a city and I don't have an outdoor space? What are we supposed to do? That's a legitimate question. That's an important question. My suggestions are, do you have a park nearby? If you live in a big city, hopefully there's a park nearby where you can go to as often as possible, walk to, take a bus to, or drive to. Get out in the park as often as you can. Do you have a terrace or any outdoor space or a roof deck? Then I would urge you to plant a garden with raised beds or in pots. Have children plant seeds, water them, watch them grow, learn about nature that way. One thing I forgot to say earlier, another benefit to getting children outdoors in nature early is helping them form a relationship with the earth and a connection to nature, which will help them later in life to become stewards of the earth and take care of this planet, which so desperately needs our help and is going to need the brain power of today's young people to solve these critical crises that are affecting the future of the planet. But back to if you don't even have an outdoor area for planting things outdoors, plant indoors. Plant in pots with grow lights or in the sunlight, and let your children observe seed sprouting and growing and those cycles of nature. And then, if you can on the weekends, get out of the city, go to the woods or the mountains or to the beach, and just make an effort to let your child experience as much nature as you can, however you can. So thank you for watching today. So again, I appreciate your time. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button below. Click the little bell to be notified every time we post a new video. And I'll see you next time on Sunday with Sarah.